So I'm Rodrigo Tardin. I'm a professor at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro here in Brazil. I'm the head of the Ecology and Marine Conservation Lab, and I work mostly with marine mammals for about 20 years now. Yeah, so this is a very interesting species because it's a small dolphin that lives from South Brazil to Honduras, so it's really specific to this place. It has a particularity that it lives close to estuaries and bays, and of course, if they live inside these channels and these estuaries, it's already overlapped with a lot of human activities. A lot of harbor development, so everything that goes inland and in water actually. So there's a problem with bycatch, of course, fishing. Some dolphins got caught in the nets. There are some problems with noise pollution because of shipping, because of a lot of boats. There are problems with development itself, so constructing a bridge, constructing a channel. So everything particularly the big problem for me is that all of these things go together. So they are acting synergistically, and of course this has a large potential to harm the dolphins. So we leave early, we get our equipment in the boat, so we have cameras, we have drones, we have hydrophones to collect their voices, their acoustic profile. We have some spreadsheets to collect behavioral data. One interesting aspect about these animals is that their dorsal fin has unique marks. So if we photograph them, we can understand each individual dolphin there. So when they were seen the first time, where are they using the area? So this is a very interesting aspect. Yeah, I think that's a very important question because conservation is about people in the end. Of course, we try to protect biodiversity in general, but in the end, we have to talk to people, we have to discuss ideas and ways to protect. So it's really challenging because, of course, different groups have different interests. But a lot of fishermen, for example, they have to fish and they have to get their food from the sea, their income, but they are aware of the problems and usually they are allies. They know how important it is to protect the fishes, they have to fish, and of course if these fishes are protected, the dolphins are going to have benefits too. One important aspect that goes beyond studying the animals, of course, this is the basic science, the most important thing. Involving the community is also very important, but other aspect is involving public policies. So how we connect with people and try to make them understand in terms of legislation, in terms of policies, that what are the best actions for conservation. It's a very challenging issue because it involves a lot of stuff, but it's very important. I was affectionate by the ocean since a kid. I remember I had a book, a National Geographic book about whales that you open and there's some pop-ups, stuff like this. So that I was like 5-6 years, so that amazed me. And we live in a coastal city, so a lot of ocean, a lot of beaches, so that always got me fascinated by the sea. And during high school, I was focusing and thinking about biology. Then I do the biology course, and then I'm here.